Good morning. So I know some people actually ask me how the cell phone signal is while traveling. I think for the most part, we were connected almost 100% of the time. Not quite. There were some dead spots, but we kind of cheated a little bit because I invested in this antenna. It is actually not just the antenna. This is called a weBoost power booster. So what it does, it takes whatever signal that you have, cell signal, and it will boost it by at least 2 bars. So I got the trucker's edition. They have smaller ones that have a magnetic mount that you just simply, put it on top of your car. But it will take whatever signal is out there and bring it in, and then on the inside, you see right here, I have my little looks like a little amplifier, which it's not an audible amplifier. It is the cell phone amplifier. So it would take the cell phone signal, put it in through the amplifier, and then in this amplifier I have another antenna on the inside of the cab, so all of the phones that it's registered to will have that boosted cell phone signal. Now you do have to register this item with your carrier so that it works, but all carriers, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, Sprint, they all authorize for you to use the cell phone booster. So anyway, it works really well. I've tried it out a few places that I knew did not have any signal, or that I knew barely had a signal, and it actually works really, really well. So something I recommend. All right, see you later.